Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to link cells on Excel. Linking cells is a powerful feature that allows you to connect data across your spreadsheets, ensuring that any changes in the source cell are automatically reflected in the linked cell. This dynamic connection is incredibly useful for building interactive reports and dashboards. We'll cover the fundamental methods, including using basic formulas and the convenient paste link option to help you master this essential Excel skill. Linking cells within the same worksheet is straightforward. First, navigate to the cell where you want the linked data to appear. Next, type an equals sign, which tells Excel you're entering a formula. Then, simply click on the source cell containing the data you wish to link. Finally, press Enter, and the destination cell will instantly display the value from your chosen source cell, updating automatically with any changes. To link cells between different worksheets, begin by selecting the cell on your destination worksheet where you want the linked information to reside. After typing an equals sign, switch to the source worksheet that contains the data you need. Click directly on the specific source cell, and then press Enter. Excel will automatically create a formula that includes the sheet name, ensuring your data remains connected and updates across your workbook. Linking cells between entirely different workbooks is also quite manageable. Ensure both the source and destination workbooks are open at the same time. In your destination workbook, select the cell where you want the linked data to appear and type an equals sign. Then, switch to the source workbook, click on the specific cell you wish to link, and press Enter. Excel will generate a formula referencing the external workbook, keeping your data synchronized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.